Mimosana, don't go out of the room. It is raining cats and dogs.
Oh, mommy, wait for me. I'm scared of dogs, especially mad dogs. Wait for me, I'm scared of dogs and cats.
Oh no, I mean it is raining heavily.
What? You just said it is raining cats and dogs.
Well, it is an idiom which means raining heavily.
Oof, that's very hard to swallow.
Sisters, what are you eating? Mommy, give me some.
What? I'm not eating anything.
I heard you saying it is hard to swallow.
Oh my god, that simply means it's difficult to believe.
Mommy, I want to go for Tabanjongba.
No, we are having a second wave of coronavirus pandemic.
Us, Mommy, Tabanjongba is conducted once in a blue moon.
No means no. If you are doing that, you are digging your own grave.
What happened to me? Who is digging her own grave? I'm afraid to die.
Oh no, it is not just about digging for burial. It means she is doing something foolish and it can cause her own failure.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Mommy, you take away my bread. Who took away the bread from my granddaughter? Is she dead? Oh my god.
No, Grandma, I mean that I'm astonished because our mom is so smart.
But I had someone digging a grave.
Now all of you stop talking about digging grave.
Grandma, why are you jumping down on Mommy's throat?
What? Grandma is too old to jump down on her throne.
Oof, I mean she is simply overly angry at Mommy's word.
Everyone stop now. The police will be digging around now.